I'll take 20, 5 or 10.
Hello, could I get one lemonade, please? Have you got cash, yeah?
Don't worry, if you missed it, put some money in your bag and I'll tell you what happened.
Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you.
More sugar, please. Thank you.
Very nice. Not too sour, not too sweet. Perfect balance. A nice fresh lemonade on a nice summer's day here in York. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this.